Video walkthrough 1 from the southwest corner of Big Blue. This is the back end, suitable for 4 high-speed lines. 2 high-speed lines are fully framed, ready to go, sitting right there. A little final finishing frame and assembly is awaiting. Many parts and equipment for 2 more to go alongside these 2 high-speed lines. And much equipment and steel, some on site, other parts being painted. Much inventory of glove formers, balloon forms, pipes, truck, and more equipment. Looking to the southwest corner, trailing down with wastewater treatment. All these are pre-treatment for water, where we are utilizing lots of it and reusing it. Many sprockets, many motors, many tanks, more wastewater treatment, as well as a separate room for wastewater. Some old glove inventory. This is the wastewater treatment plant, where we treat massive quantities of water. New equipment, many tanks, separate entrance and exit, wastewater treatment, room for expansion, fully functional, state-of-the-art Dynatech equipment. Genie lift for high places, plumbing and piping for the heat, these are thermal fluid heaters to heat the ovens, secure the gloves or balloons or films. And they are Fulton boilers made in the USA in New York. And there are 4 of them here, although it looks like 2, there's redundancy. Entering this room, chlorination room, to chlorinate the gloves if needed or if desired. This room is ready for action, and those are the chlorine tanks. Access doors in this room, probably about 4,000 square feet. Plenty of height, though not the same height as the main building, which is 40 feet clear, as you can see. Southeast, northeast, southwest. Thank you. Other entryway for the chlorination systems. In here is the main entryway for clean room operations, for gowning, for bathrooms, headquarters, and whatnot. Ready to be finished out with minimal effort. Conference room in the front door here. I would say a conference room right here, or reception area, restrooms, and additional entryway directly into the fabrication center. Again, the northeast or northerly part of the front yard of this beautiful factory. Finishing to be done. Thermal fluid, ceramic mandrels for dipping the gloves, and there's our work. That's Big Blue. In Big Blue with the high ceilings, we have plenty of room for tanks, feeds, and additional production facilities. A holding area for inventory